sir, this is Mahshid from Shirazi, and I start my video by showing a demo. So let me click on cancel button so to show that this button works properly, and I will run again the app, and this time I will log in with my name and random password like Mahshid and 1234. When I click on the login button, I expect to receive the error message. Now I will try admin and admin 123, and I hit the login button. So here, if I click on next, I will receive the alert message to fill out all the requirements. For name, Mahshid. For phone, 416-844-2322, and it's gonna be Vaughan, Ontario. Now the user only have one option to choose. Only one radio button for each section should be choose. Let me try to write down hi for price, and I will receive a message to enter a number. So I will say 4,000 and hit next. For down payment one time, I will try 100 with interest rate to 0.99 for 24 months bi-weekly and calculate it. Then I will say save rates. Will receive a confirmation. I will clear and enter 3,000, 1.99 for 12 months monthly, and then calculate it and save rates. When I click on show saved rates button, I expect to see two different rates here. If I double click on one of them, I will receive I will get back to the page. I hit the amortization button, will receive the alert message. So I have to hit the calculate again and then click here, and I will see the schedule which will be remaining 0 on this date. And if I go to the save and hit 2.99 this time, calculated, and here now I do have different schedule. This was my demo. So let me talk about my code. I will just talk about general what I did. I used MVC as the design pattern. For each information that was included in the PDF file, I have the class for each of them on my model. And for example, for loan amortization, vehicle, and I do have one interface which is loan calculation, and as you see I do have the function for it, and also a list for generating the amortization schedule. And fixed rate loan, actually this class implements that interface. And here I do have the principal amount for calculate monthly payment, and also generate amortization schedule that we already defined on that interface. So here I actually tried to define how to calculate it, and here I use the standard loan formula for amortization, and here are all my controllers. So for login controller, as it was required, I hard coded my actually username and password, and I defined my user log in. Actually the new stage will be created and the cancel button. And for customer and vehicle information data, as you saw there, I defined here that after which page will be created in new stage. For clear button, And also for next bottom, um, I actually have the alert, which handle for all the requirements should be filled out, and also for validation the price as I showed you, it should be the number. And here let me talk about auto loan controller. Uh, for example, here, as I said, why the user only have one radio button to choose, it's because of toggle group. I have set customer and vehicle function that receive customer and vehicle object passed from the previous form. I have handle calculate here. As you see, I do have the down payment, which are like retrieves and validates user input about down payment rate, duration, and frequency. And also I do have the handle clear that reset all the fields, and saved current rates that shows me the current rates. It has the alert for the warning message that I showed you, and also the other one for successful message, and it actually validates input and save the loan in a static list for um, the handle current rate actually. And here I do have the open save rate that showed me the save rate fxml file, and loads the save uh, fxml file past the save loan list to the saved rate controller. And when a loan is double click, it reloads the data back into the current form that I initialized the function here. And I do have the loan list that I converted to the observable list. So here it's set up how each table column should extract and display the value here that I have. So, and I actually have amortization controller, which is quite similar to save rate controller. About this part that I do have the least, and I handle the close button here too. So this was what I had, and thank you for giving me this chance. I already sent you my fxml file and I got the confirmation for them. Thank you and bye.